In this video, we will look at definite integral. A definite integral has start and end values. In other words, there is a closed interval, so interval of a and b. So let's say we look at this graph. So let's say this is the function, or this is the graph for the function of fx. So the definite integral will be the integration from a to b. So integration from a to b for the function of fx with respect to x. So this is the region. So let's look at the first example. Evaluate the following. So we have question A and B. So let's say we look at A. So integration from -1 to 2 for the function of x squared minus 2x plus 5 with respect to x. So first what we need to do is, so let's say this is a question, integrate from -1 to 2 for the function of x squared minus 2x plus 5 with respect to x. So we will integrate as usual. If you still remember, we will add on 1. So it means that we will raise the index by 1. So from 2, it will become 3x cubed over 3. This is how we're going to integrate. Minus, before this is 1, so it will become 2x squared over 2. Integrate constant will get 5x. Remember, this is integration, not differentiation. So this is from -1 to 2. So we put a square bracket and then put a value from -1 to 2. So here can be simplified. You can hit C. Here can be simplified. So I try to simplify. So it will become x cubed over 3 minus x squared plus 5x from -1 to 2. So for the definite integral, so we will substitute what is the difference is only we have to substitute the value. So from the value from the top minus the value at the on the below. So first we substitute the value of 2. So means that 2 power of 3 over 3 minus 2 squared plus 5 times 2. Substitute the value of 2. And then minus, we substitute the value of 1. So -1 cubed over 3 minus -1 squared plus 5 times -1. So from here, let's say I try to simplify. 2 power of 3 is 8. So here is 8 over 3 minus 2 squared is 4 plus 5 times 2 is 10. So this is the first part. Minus -1 power of 3 is -1. So it's -1 over 3. -1 squared is +1. So there is minus +1. Finally, 5 times -1, -5. So we can try to simplify by using your calculator. 8 over 3 minus 4 plus 10. So here we should have 26 over 3 minus -1 over 3 minus 1 minus 5. So here we have minus -19 over 3. So negative will become positive. So 26 over 3 plus 19 over 3. So this one will be equals to 26 over 3 plus 19 over 3 will become 15. So here is the answer, 15. So next we move on to question B. Let's say I add a new slide. So question B. So where the question is integration from 2 to 5 for x plus 2 over x squared dx. Integration. So integration from 2 to 5 x over 2 over x squared with respect to x. So we check again. 2 over x squared dx. Okay, good. So since we have squared, so what we have to do is we try to expand the function. So next step, 2 to 5, integration from 2 to 5. So we try to expand the function before we integrate the function. So we have to expand x times x. So x times x is x squared plus x times 2 over x. So plus 2, we can cancel out. 2 over x times x plus 2. Finally, 2 over x times 2 over x, 4 over x squared. So we check x times x, x squared, okay. X times 2 over x is 2. Then 2 over x times x is 2. Finally, 2 over x times 2 over x, 4 over x squared. So I try to simplify. 2 integration from 2 to 5, x squared plus 4. So here I can change to plus 4x power of negative 2. So next I will integrate. Now I start to integrate. Integrate x squared, I should get x cubed over 3. Integrate the constant, I should get 4x plus negative 2 plus 1. So this will be 4x. Negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1 over negative 1. So from 2 to 5. So I can simplify this part. X cubed over 3 plus 4x. Positive, negative. So here will become negative 4. So since we have negative index, it will become 4 over x from 2 to 5. Next, I will substitute the value. We will start with substitute the value on the top and then at below. So means that here I should have 5 power of 3 over 3 plus 4 times 5 minus 4 over 5 minus 2 power of 3 over 3 plus 4 times 2 minus 4 over 2. So from here, if I try to simplify, 5 power of 3 is 125 over 3 plus 20 minus 4 over 5 minus 2 power of 3 is 8 over 3 plus 8 minus 4 over 2 is 2. So from here, I should have 125 over 3 plus 20 minus 4 over 5. So here I should have 913 over 15 minus 8 over 3 plus 8 minus 2. So here we should have 26 over 3. 8 over 3 plus 8 minus 2, okay. So finally, 913 over 15 minus 26 over 3. So from here, I should have 261 over 5. So here is the answer.